Weather First with meteorologist Marco Lamano.
Hey, welcome back. Thank you for staying with us. All eyes on Hurricane Matthew, right? That is the big story. We also have Tropical Storm Nicole all the way out there. No worries with that. It's all about Matthew today. So let's take a look at it as it moves northwest through the Bahamas. It's past Cuba, it's past Haiti, it's past Jamaica. So here we are on the Suncoast. We look further, we see an eye trying to develop, and then we see a new eye trying to form. So that shows that it's going through intensification. As of the last advisory at 5 a.m., it went up to 125 mile-per-hour winds from 115. That still keeps it at a Cat 3. Goes up about 6 miles per hour more, Cat 4 you have. So let's take a look at where the winds are going to be as this moves to the northwest. 125 mile-per-hour winds moves to the northwest at 12. Yellow shows you tropical storm force winds. Orange is hurricane. Red, that's the strongest. Those are the strongest winds, the major hurricane force winds. It is expected to become a Cat 4 again. 140 mile-per-hour winds, that's a dangerous storm. There's going to be a lot of damage where it hits along the coast. So here it is by overnight Friday. Notice how the yellow is still to the east of us. So unless you're in eastern Charlotte, DeSoto, maybe eastern Manatee, but I'm not even sure about that, it looks like most of us will not encounter tropical storm force winds unless this wobbles further to the west. If it keeps on this track, then we'll just get some extra bands of rain. We'll get some higher winds anyway, not tropical storm force, and we'll get some more clouds. It'll move up the coast, and it's expected that it may make a loop back into Florida or a loop somewhere else. But notice how it's going to be a tropical storm by then, which is of course good news. We don't want it to be a strong storm. Also notice that the highest amounts of rain are going to be on the east coast. It may even get higher than this at 5 inches on the Suncoast, up to a ½ inch possible. So this isn't something that we're going to get the brunt of. There's a good chance that we may not get tropical storm force winds, but we are under a tropical storm force watch just due to the possibility that it moves a little bit further west. All right? Now, let's look at the moisture. This goes into Thursday and Friday. Yeah, we'll be swamped with plenty of moisture, but look how dry the mid-levels of the atmosphere get. Look at all this white over here. We are looking at lower humidity by this weekend. We're looking at sunnier conditions by this weekend. So once this passes, we have a spectacular Columbus Day weekend up ahead. But until then, we have to get through increased cloud cover today, some additional rain and storms. Again, tropical storms watch, but not a warning as of yet. Sunny skies this weekend.